Signal Maneuver. Get ready to witness a spectacle that will leave you in awe and forever transform your driving skills. It's time to unlock the secrets of mirror mastery and take your automotive prowess to the next level. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing journey as we unveil the art of using your mirrors like a pro. Greetings, fellow road warriors and seekers of automotive excellence. Today, we embark on a mission that will redefine the way you perceive the humble car mirror. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the mysteries behind mirror utilization and unveil the hidden potential within those reflective surfaces. You see, my friends, the mirrors in your vehicle are more than mere reflective glass. They hold the key to your situational awareness, the power to foresee potential hazards, and the ability to navigate the roads with precision and finesse. Yes, your mirrors are your secret weapon, and today we're here to unlock their full potential. In this video from Car Computer Exchange titled Mirror Signal Maneuver, How to Use Your Mirrors Like a Pro, we'll take you on a thrilling journey through the intricacies of mirror mastery. We'll delve into the art of mirror positioning, the timing of glances, and the strategic use of mirrors to make flawless lane changes and maneuvers. Mirror, mirror on the car, who's the safest driver of them all? According to Lytx, a company that provides video telematics solutions for commercial and public sector fleets, drivers should maintain a constant glance at all their mirrors while they're driving. Drivers should glance at each of their mirrors every 8 to 10 seconds. It's a glance, not a stare. At 60 miles per hour, drivers travel nearly 100 feet per second down the road. By fixating on a mirror, you're traveling that distance essentially blind. That's why it's key to glance. Understanding mirror usage. When it comes to mirror usage, our driving instructor, Jacqueline, has some invaluable advice that'll make you a mirror maestro. Picture this. You're behind the wheel, cruising down the road, and with a slight head movement, you check your rear view mirror, left mirror, and side mirror in one smooth motion. Boom! You've just earned yourself a gold star in mirror mastery. But hold on, there's more to it than just head swiveling like a bobblehead. Jacqueline reminds us of the importance of maintaining a comfortable seating position. You don't want to be squished up against the steering wheel like a sardine in a can. So, sit back, relax, and ensure you have a clear view of all your mirrors. Comfort and clarity are the name of the game. Now, let's talk blind spots. Those sneaky areas where hazards love to lurk. While checking your mirrors, it's crucial to be aware of what lies ahead as well. Picture this scenario. You're glancing at your left mirror, and suddenly, a wild hazard appears on the horizon. Yikes! By keeping your eyes peeled on the road ahead, you can avoid those surprises and make sure your mirror checks are a smooth and hazard-free affair. Oh, and here's a little rhythm to keep in mind. Every 4 seconds, it's mirror checking time. Establish your own beat, whether it's counting 1, 2, 3, 4, or humming your favorite tune, and making mirror checks as a part of your driving groove. Not only will it keep you in sync with the road, but it also impresses your passengers with your rhythmic multitasking skills. Rear view mirror as your best friend. Let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of mirrors, the rear view mirror. It's like having a trusty sidekick that always has your back, or rather, your rear. This little marvel provides you with a quick glimpse into the world happening behind you. With just a flick of your eyes, you can gather crucial information about tailgaters, speed demons, and even UFOs. Well, maybe not the last one. But the rear view mirror is more than just a rear viewing device. It's your secret weapon for maintaining a safety bubble around your car. By constantly scanning the mirror, you can stay alert to any sudden changes in the traffic flow or potential hazards approaching from the rear. Remember, a safety bubble is like a force field that keeps you protected and ready to react to any surprises that may come your way. So, my fellow road warriors, embrace the power of the rear view mirror. Make it your confidant, your trusted ally in the battle of the roadways. Give it a quick glance every now and then, and let it guide you to driving greatness. With your rearview mirror by your side, You'll be the envy of all other drivers as you navigate the highways with finesse and confidence. Mirror, mirror on the windshield, you're our best friend forever. Alright folks, it's time for a quick pit stop in our mirror extravaganza. Here's a check-in question to keep you on your toes. Mirror, mirror on the windshield, tell me true, have you been using your mirrors like a pro? Are you a mirror maven or a mirror muggle? Let us know in the comments below. And don't worry, we won't judge if you've been caught up in a mirror maze or if you're a reflection rookie. We're all here to learn and improve our mirror game together. So, spill the beans and share your mirror wisdom or mirror mishaps with the rest of our automotive aficionados. Ready, set, comment. Using mirrors in different driving scenarios. In the realm of residential 2-lane roads, keep your eyes on the prize. Well, the road ahead to be precise. Your primary focus should be straight ahead, but don't forget to give that rearview mirror a quick glance every now and then. Watch out for potential hazards like cyclists or speedy cars zooming up behind you. Safety first, folks. Now, let's switch gears to the 3-lane roads. This is where your mirror game needs to be in full swing. Engage those rear view, left, and right mirrors to stay on top of your lane changes and passing maneuvers. Those side mirrors are your wingmen, so don't underestimate their power. Keep a keen eye on them as you navigate the lanes like a boss. Checking mirrors strategically. And the rear view mirror, the unsung hero of our automotive tale. It's not just there to reflect your dashing looks, folks. It's your window to the world behind you. Pay attention to the car trailing behind, deciphering their intentions and messages. Adjust your following distance accordingly, whether they're tailgating or keeping a safe distance. Remember, it's all about keeping that safety bubble intact. Strategic mirror checks are the name of the game, my friends. Avoid excessive scanning that can lead to distraction. Nobody wants that. Instead, develop a rhythm and pattern for checking your right and left mirrors periodically. It could be a quick 1-2 glance or a catchy mirror song in your head. Find what works for you and keep those mirrors working for you too. Lane changes and mirror usage. When it comes to lane changes, we're entering the fast lane of mirror mastery. Picture this, you're ready to switch lanes, but hold your horses, check those mirrors and blind spots before making that daring move. Safety always comes first, and knowing the speed of approaching vehicles using your mirrors is key. Gauge the safe distance and relative speed, and then make your lane change with confidence. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect, my fellow road warriors. So let's practice that left lane change pattern together. Rear view, side mirror, blind spot, and back. Make it a smooth, well-choreographed dance of mirror checks. And don't forget, whether you're cruising on the freeway or maneuvering through tight parking spots, your mirrors are your trusty companions. Use them wisely, and you'll conquer the roads with finesse. And there you have it, my mirror-wielding road warriors. You've now unlocked the secrets to using your mirrors like a true automotive pro. But remember, knowledge is power, and practicing these mirror maneuvers will only make you better. If you want to continue leveling up your driving skills and stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate car enthusiasts here at Car Computer Exchange. We've got more exciting content coming your way, from gear shifting tips to road trip adventures and everything in between. So, buckle up, stay tuned, and let's embark on this journey together. Subscribe now and become a part of our automotive family. Until next time, keep those mirrors in check, and may the roads be forever in your favor.